Hey guys, my name is Roman, welcome to my channel. In this very quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove this header from your site in Squarespace. It's going to be very fast, so pay attention to what I'm doing. Once you're editing your page, go to the Pages menu and you can see the main navigation items right here. And you're going to click on the page that you want your header to be removed from. So I'm going to want to remove it from here, from this side. So I need to click on this icon right here, and I'll just head on towards the advanced, and there's this code injection field. And you're going to insert a code that I'm including in the description of the video, so you can find it down below, and just paste it right here and just hit save. And as you can see, this header is going to be removed. Alright, so that's it guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.